Welcome to HTML5 tutorials, chapter 9, HTML5 canvas text, part 4, brought to you by Anpro Technologies. My name is Harish. In this session, we are going to learn about the canvas text. So, what we are going to do is we are going to write the text on the canvas element. So to draw a text on the canvas, the most important property and the methods are font property. So this font property, what it does is it's going to define the font properties for the text. So we can define the size of the font, or you can define the font family of the font with the help of this font property. And apart from that, we have two methods: fill text. So it takes the text whatever we need to fill on the canvas, and it takes the x and y coordinates. So this fill text, it draws fill text on the canvas. Okay, and stroke text, it takes the text whatever we need to write on the canvas and x and y coordinates. What this stroke text does is it draws text on the canvas. So without wasting much time, let me show you a demo of this. It's very simple. So the first thing is I'm going to show you the property font and this fill text. So it's very simple. So let me jump back here. So first let me create a canvas element. So apart from that, let me create an ID to this. ID is my canvas, and let me set the height and width. Height is 100 pixel and width is 200 pixel. So the problem is here. Yes, height is 100 pixel, width is 200. So don't need of giving the pixel as of now. Okay, fine. So now what we do is let me start writing the JavaScript. So first I need to identify an element with the ID. So here is that code for that to identify the element with the ID. So what I'll do is first let me go into that where let me create a variable called canvas. Can is equal to document dot get element by ID. So what is the ID? ID is my canvas. So next what we can do is let me go back and let me check out. So here you can observe here. So first we need to create a drawing object get context, and we need to specify this 2D, and then using the drawing object assigned to this variable we can call this properties and method of a text. So what I'll do is let me call var ctx is equal to can dot get context. So the context is of type 2D, can dot get context. Then what we can do is okay, here we are going to, with the help of that ctx, okay, we can call the font property. Then I'm going to tell the font should be of 30 pixel and it should be Arial. Okay, the font family is of Arial. That's what we are doing here. You can observe very clearly 30 pixel and Arial. Okay, then we have to call that fill text method. So let me go into that ctx dot fill text. So first we have to give what is the text we need to pass. Hello and pro frame. Okay, or let me just tell hello. It looks pretty good. And then it takes x-axis and y-axis. So let me tell 10, 15 coordinates. So let me push this page to the browser. So here is the page. Double click on this. It's navigating us to the Chrome browser. There we are going to observe whether it's going to print the text or not. So it's coming at the top. Okay, you can observe very clearly. So what I'll do is let me push this canvas element bit down. Let me check out. So where is my, okay, it's looking like 10 and 50. Sorry, oh, the y-axis I have specified as 15, so it's taking that. So let me push it a bit down on the y-axis. So here comes Alohank Pro. Okay, you can observe here we wrote a text on the canvas element. So before that, what I'll do is let me write a bit of style to the canvas tag such that it looks good. So it is the canvas border 1 pixel solid. So this is what, and this is how it works. Okay, Alohank Pro. And now what I'll do is we learn like how to make use of this method fill text. Now we'll work with this stroke text. So let me change this, only the method name. So it is stroke text. So you can observe here we're getting in this form the stroke text. Okay, this is what, okay, the difference between fill text and stroke text. So the fill text, okay, draws fill text on the canvas, draws text on the canvas, but it will be not filled with any color. Okay, this is what the difference between fill text and stroke text. And apart from that, now, okay, we will, okay, set a font to 30 pixel and the font family is Comic Sans MS, and write a filled red text, okay, in the center of the canvas. So if I need to make it at the center of the canvas, then I need to make use of this formula, that is canvas.width by 2. It comes at the center, the width and height at the center. So let me do that. First let me set the font, okay, to some other style. So let me set to cursive. Okay, then after that fill style is equal to red CTS CTX dot fill style is equal to red, or let me go with some other color, orange. Then CTX dot, let me change the value is text align. So we are going to text line is equal to center. Okay, then CTX stroke text, instead of the stroke let me go with the fill text. It looks pretty well, but our objective is it has to come at the center. So what we are going to do is we are going to, okay, tell like that canvas dot width, okay, by 2 and canvas dot height by 2. So how can we do that? Can dot width by 2, and similarly can dot by 2. The control S. Now let me go back and let me refresh. You can observe here we are getting at the center, but let me increase the height width to 400 pixels such that it looks good. Okay, you can observe here. So before that, what I need to do is I need to set the height to 400 such that it looks good. Okay, but it's not coming at the center exactly. So what we can do is, okay, let me push it to the left itself so that it looks good. Okay, now let me go back and let me do. So the text align property, oh, it's the property is this one, sorry for that. So this is how it works actually. So let me remove this as of now. Let me keep it out and let me refresh. So what we are doing is we are making use of this property, that is fill text, and we're doing like canvas dot width by 2, canvas dot height by 2. Observe very clearly. Okay, then get context as 2D, and this is how it works. Okay, so what we learned in this session is we learned like how to add a color and a center a text, or okay, let me show you like how to center the text. It's very simple. So what I'll do is first let me show you very clearly like how to add the color text, or how to make the text at the center. It's very simple. So let me go back to my Visual Studio Code, and here let me add something like ctx dot text, sorry, it is text align center, text align it is text align center. So it's not all capital, it's small. So here we are going to tell like so it's very simple. So the problem here with is so I need to specify exactly, I guess. Yes, we used to specify like this, fill the text or text the center. So the problem here is, so let me set the width to 300 and the height to width to 200 and the height to 300. And now let me show you something else. So this is what we are doing right now, and the fill text, this is what should happen. So I hope this is perfect. So let me go back and let me refresh again. Yes, you can observe very clearly we are getting at the center. This is the problem was we did not specify the proper height and width. Apart from that, everything was perfect. So this is how you can achieve, like, or you can make the text align center and you can assign the color whatever you wish. Okay, I've taken the red. Okay, this is what these are the things we learned in this session, like how to make use of the font property and other font methods, that is fill text and true text, to draw a text on the canvas element. So finally, thank you for listening. Have a great day. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Anchor Training, and also like our Facebook page visiting this URL. You can also follow us on Twitter. For further reference, refer our website. We are on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.